Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Knowledge. Next topic is our find and replace option under session applying editing feature. Find and replace you can do by shortcut key Ctrl plus F or go to the edit menu and there is an option find and replace. Suppose that first you place your cursor at the top of the document, then click on edit menu and then select find and replace. Find and replace, then there is a search for box. Search for text box. Here you have to type which word you want to search. This feature is helpful when your document is large. Suppose this time I want to search document, word document, D-O-C-U-M-E-N-T. This is what I want to search. Click on find button. Once you click on find button, you will get document word, or you have to click on find all. So all the document word is selected. See this. Clear? But see the difference. Here the D is capital, but the full spelling is documentation. Here remaining other document, the D is small. How can we change it? So we can change how we can select only document whose first letter is capital. So what I can do for this, we have to select this, enable this match box, checkbox. Match case. Match case means it will match all the cases, uppercase to uppercase, lowercase to lowercase. Check this and then click on find all. Once you click on find all, you will get only one document, but its full name is documentation. There is one another checkbox. This is disabled now this time. Once you enable it, it means whole word only. Whole word only means whole word. It check this document is a whole word or a half word. If it is a whole word, then it is selected, otherwise it will not select. See this. Click on find button again. The message will appear. OpenOffice Writer has searched to the end of the document. Do you want to continue at the beginning? Yes. Again message appear. Search key is not found. Means no, this type of word is available in this document. Means whose first letter is capital D. This type of word is not present in the document. Now remove this capital D. In place of that, you have to write a small d. And both the checkbox are enabled. Both the options are enabled. Match case and whole word only. Now click on find all. Once you click on find all, see this. All the document word is selected. Is it clear? Now this time, this word is not selected. This documentation is not selected. Is it clear? Suppose that I want to convert this documentation, this documentation word I want to replace with document. What I do? First I type documentation word in the search field and then this word I want to replace with document. D-O-C-U-M-E-N-T, document. Then click on replace. Then click on replace. So before replace, first you have to find this type of word is available in your document, yes or no. So yes, this type of word is available. Then click on replace. See the change. Digital document in place of documentation. Is it clear? So means find and replace option is helpful to first find the word from your document, and if you want to change that searched word with another word, you can do it with the help of replace option. Is it clear? Close this and here you have to type this document. Okay. Next topic is our jumping to the page number. For this, first you go to here. Shortcut key for find and replace is Control plus F. Next, jumping to the page number. For jumping to the page number, you have to follow go to option. Go to page number. Sometimes we may require to jump a particular page number. It becomes difficult to scroll down if it is a large document with several pages. In such a situation, go to page number feature of writer is useful. Do this, select the edit menu, go to page, keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus G. Once you click on go to page, the go to page dialog box will appear like this. It will show total number of pages. Total number of pages is 22 in this example, and we want to go in page number 4. Then click on OK. Your cursor will automatically move to the 4th page number once you do this. Is it clear? Then next topic is non-printing characters. Non-printing character, this is most important topic for your syllabus. In computer data entry, anything entered is treated as a character. Anything you enter, like you enter alphabets, punctuation mark, numbers, etc. Everything treated as a character. But when you press key like enter, space bar and tab key, that do not appear on the screen. Is it clear? We are actually entering these characters in the document. So it is very helpful to see these non-printing characters on the display to see the exact information of the document. The symbol of non-printing character is this. This is also called show or hide option. Or this you get with the help of shortcut key Ctrl plus F10. How it is appear in this? See this icon. This is a non-printing character and shortcut key is for Ctrl plus F10. What you do? This time it is disabled. Click on this icon. Now you have to see here. This symbol denotes here we have pressed enter key. Here we have pressed enter key. Then this dot, this simple dot symbol represent here we have pressed space. See this. This dot represent here we have pressed space bar. The tab key is shown by arrow sign. Space bar is shown by dot sign. And enter key is shown by this symbol only. Is it clear? So only 3 options we have. One is space bar, second is tab key, third is enter key. Tab key is represented by right arrow sign. Space bar represented by dot, or enter key represented by this symbol. Is it clear? Our next topic is checking spelling and grammar. Next topic is our checking spelling and grammar. While writing a report on a paper, sometimes we may not remember the spelling of words. In this situation, we refer to books or confirm the spelling from teacher or parents. Also, while word processing a document, we may commit spelling mistake. In such case, writer helps us to correct the spelling. It also provides a grammatical checker to check the grammar of the sentence. It can be used separately or in combination with the spelling checker. This is one of the important feature of any word processing application. Here, see this. If any grammatical error are detected, then the underlined by wavy blue line. Grammatical mistake underlined by wavy blue line. If spelling mistake is there, then it's represented by red wavy line. Clear? Red wavy line and blue wavy line. See this. Here I want to change the spelling of this Google. Now what happened? There is red wavy line. Red wavy line means this spelling is wrong. What I do? Either we have to select, right click on this word, select and right click on this word. The suggestion is either it is oblique, Google, like G, oblique, like this. This is the suggestion. Or you can open spelling and grammar option from this context menu. Clear? Now spelling and grammar dialog box will appear. From here you will get the suggestion. Once select the suggestion like Google and then click on change, ignore all, add to the dictionary or autocorrect. These many options are present here, but I want to select here change. If there is only one spelling related just like this, so click on change, or same mistake available in whole document, so you have to do change all. Now change it. See this. Now correct spelling is this one. Is it clear? Again, same thing you can do with the help of tools menu. Go to the toolbar. His first option is spelling and grammar and its shortcut key is F7. Is it clear? From here you can also do this. Now sometime one thing happened, like you want to type your name, like your name is Ramesh, R-A-M-E-S-H, Ramesh, and press enter key. The spelling of Ramesh is correct, but it is showing error. Why? Why it is showing error? Because this word is not present in the writer's dictionary. What I do? We can resolve this error by right click on this word, then there is option add. The sub menu will appear. It's showing that standard.dic, standard dictionary, means add this word in the standard dictionary, means it is a correct word. Now the error is removed, means this word is available in the dictionary of Open Office Writer. Remove this word and then again you have to type R-A-M-E-S-H, Ramesh, and then press enter key. See here, there is no red wavy line. This means this word is available in the, added in the dictionary of Open Office Writer. So you can add new word in the writer's dictionary also. Then one more thing. There is a autocorrect feature. There is one autocorrect feature. Like I am typing spelling of the T-E-H. I know this is a wrong spelling, but when I press enter key, it automatically corrected. How? Because this time autocorrect feature is enabled. How we get autocorrect feature? Go to the tools menu. Then is third last option, autocorrect option. Once you see here, this is the replace. See this. This is the wrong word. Left side column is the wrong word and right side column is the right word. Means this word is converted with right words. Like if you type the spelling of about like A-B-O-T-U, it will convert it like A-B-O-U-T automatically. Means autocorrect feature is available in the Open Office Writer. See here. Where is the spelling of the? See here. This one. When I type T-E-H, so it will automatically convert like T-H-E. Clear? When I type T-A-H-T, that means it will change like T-H-A-T, means that. Is it clear? So this happens only with the help of autocorrect feature. Next topic is synonyms and the thresholds. Sometimes you search for a word having a similar in meaning to the word you have in the mind. A word processor helps to look up synonyms. Synonyms means same meaning words and antonyms means opposite meaning words. in the thesaurus. The list of synonyms can be accessed from context menu. See this. Select this word and then right click on it. You will get synonym option. So its synonym, this word synonyms is this one. Okay, any word represent the other name of this word is also like this. Demonstrate means to show, to demo, like this. Is it clear? Right click on a word and point to synonyms. On the context menu, a sub menu of alternative words and phrases are displayed. Click on a word or phrase in the sub menu to replace it with the highlighted word or a phrase in the document. See this. Select this word. Right click. Select, right click, synonyms and select suggestion. I want to convert this word with so. In place of that, I put it show. Clear? This is the main feature of MS Word software. Synonyms are different from a dictionary. A dictionary contains definition and punctuations, whereas thesaurus will have words with similar meaning or opposite meaning. Thesaurus contains both antonyms and synonyms. Okay, let's check the thesaurus for the word which have similar meaning to market in IT job market. So means some meaning is different from here. Market, normally market, but it's related to the IT job market. I hope this video is clear to you. All the topics we have covered from unit number 2, session number 2, applying editing feature, undo and redo, moving and copying text, copy and paste, selecting text, selection criteria, selecting non-consecutive text items, selecting a vertical block of text, find and replace option, jumping to the page number, non-printing characters, checking spelling and grammar, using synonyms and thesaurus. All these topics we have covered. So just go through this video, whole video, to understand all this video. This video is divided into two parts. First part I have discussed previous, and this one is second part. In the second part, I covered only these many topics, and first part we have covered these many topics. Okay, thank you class.